Okay,
Got more milkshake than Khalees. Ain't met a nigga who can handle me. I think I should be in museums, cause this body up masterpiece. Can I boogie to a trap beat?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to y'all with a fingerwave tutorial and I'm doing it on a wig. No, not a full lace wig. I'm doing this on a lace front wig. One of those, you know, from like China wigs. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm starting out by parting the baby hairs just so I won't have to pull them out afterwards. You know, that's going to mess up the finger waves.
like I just took the shit and pop toilet. Captain Long John Silver, I'm gonna real man. Got on gold fur, pink color coat from Burberry's Den. I'm a monster.
Now I'm just showing you guys what the wig looks like. This wig started off as like a, I think 12-inch bob. I'll have the video that I made on it in the cards, but I didn't really like it because it was kind of thin, so I was like, you know, I'm gonna cut it. But I just added some layers with like a razor and I did kind of like a 45-degree-ish cut at the back. Okay, I'm starting out with, of course, spraying the hair, you know, making it damp because, you know, you can't do finger waves on dry hair. I mean, you can, but I don't know how to do that. I'm just dampening it, and I'm actually going to be using something that most of y'all probably wouldn't think, but if you've been to cosmetology school, you know.
What's the word? Yeah, she gotta go through him just to get to me. It's on the middle, man.
I will be using shampoo to do these finger waves. Would use setting lotion, but I don't have any, and I don't have any mousse or anything, so I just use the shampoo. This is what we use in cosmetology school on the mannequins because you won't be wasting, you know, product. That's just wasted money. So, you know, I'm just gonna slather it on there, you know. Make sure that it's enough. I had to keep going back and adding more, but I feel like it's because the hair is just straight. I don't know. And when it comes to finger waves, you want to make sure that the hair is combed out. Make sure that it's combed into like a C or S-shaped direction so that, you know, it can set you up for your first ridge. I was combing for a while, but that's just because I'm paranoid and I like to make sure everything's perfect, and it just kept, see like how the comb keep getting stuck? Okay, this was the hard part because it was hard for me to adjust myself and get in the right position without blocking the camera, but I was struggling, as y'all can see. But yeah, what you want to do is you want to make like a triangle type shape with your fingers at the start, because you don't want your first ridge to be like directly on like the front line, and then you just want to slide it over, stick the comb in, comb it down, and then walk your fingers off, and there go the little ridge. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna slow it down for y'all in a second though. Okay, so you want to shift the comb, lay the comb down, push it up, pinch it with your fingers, take the comb out, comb the hair down to keep it, you know, flat and not tangled, of course. Then you want to walk your fingers, and that's going to help hold it to the scalp, and then there you go.
Like I just took the shit and pop toilet. Captain Long John Silver, I'm gonna real man. Got on gold fur, pink color coat from Burberry's Den. I'm a monster with a nice watch on it, nothing can. I'm a go get everything Mother Earth transcends.
I had to adjust the camera so many times, and then my mannequin head kept wobbling. Like, it was just so hard, yo. But I made it work though, and as y'all can see, finger waves are not that difficult. You'll get it eventually. If you're not getting it now, literally you're gonna get it. When I first did mine, yo, it was terrible. I'll try to insert a picture in the little corner so y'all can see. Like, it was literally terrible. So keep practicing, you'll get it. You know, don't get frustrated, because I did too. Look at that. Look at that. Ah. Now, since the hair is, well, was wet, I'm going to blow dry it just so they can stay, because like I said before, this hair is straight and it's kind of hard to keep the wave in it if I don't hold it or keep it, you know, dry. So I'm just going to blow dry it just so that when I put it on, it will not get messed up. I used the Got To Be Free spray to apply this wig because I'm probably not going to wear it that long, and I don't have any more bow hold, and I don't like using the black gel because it doesn't work for me. I don't know why. It's pretty much just self-explanatory, so I'm going to just let y'all listen to the music. Hey you guys, I'm back. I'm sorry, like, It honestly took me a minute to like get myself together after I did the wig. Y'all see me like apply it and stuff. This is what it looks like. As you can tell, I didn't do the back. I'm gonna try to show y'all without looking crazy. I didn't do the back in Fingerwaves, but I did like, I tried to mold it into like a V shape so it would just stay back there so you wouldn't see it, but it wouldn't stay, so I just had to like bobby pin it, but it's whatever. Once I got to the back, the Fingerwaves would not stay, but I always have that struggle. Why somebody take forever to come cut that off? Watch. Thank you. I always struggle with Fingerwaves. I'm a cosmetology student, so I just learned how to do Fingerwaves like 3-4 months ago. Haven't got good enough at like finishing the back, especially on straight hair that's longer. I can do it on shorter hair, but on straighter hair, and if it's longer, it's really hard for me to like wave it in the back because like it always tends to like move and shift whenever I try to do like the next ridge. So I just like, you know what, F it, we just going to just body pin it up and they ain't gonna see it anyway, so it don't matter. But yeah, these are my Fingerwaves, as y'all can see. They're very shiny. I did spray some of this over top of them after I finished them because like I said, the hair is straight and the hair was kind of hard to like keep in place, so I was like, you know, I'm just gonna spray some of this on it so we can harden it down. I blow dried a little bit, and then once I put it on my head, I took like one of my scarves. I don't know where I put my scarf at. I took my scarf, like this regular black scarf, I took that, tied it really tight around like the Fingerwaves, and then I took a blow dryer and I blow dried over it, let it sit for like 5 minutes. I took the scarf off and it had like flattened down to my head, because as y'all can see, when I first put it on, I'll try to insert the clip here so y'all can know what I'm talking about. When I first put it on, it was kind of puffy. It was like sitting up on top of my head, and I did not like that. Like, it just looked too fake. I did this whole full face. I wish I would have did a video on this. I tried to do like a soft glam look and it looks really cute. But yeah, I didn't really want to make this video extra long. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for y'all. I tried to get a good angle when I was doing them, but it's so hard to get an angle on doing Fingerwaves. Like, it's so hard because I had to keep moving the camera every time I move. Make sure you give the video a big thumbs up. Make sure if you're new that you subscribe, turn on your post notifications. I post usually once a week, maybe twice a week. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.
Okay, baby, don't hurt me. Let's begin after 3 cause a nigga like foreplay.